Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 26. And so the baby step for today is just to jump in. Do not worry about going back to day one. Don't worry about what you've missed or what you've done. We're just going to get started right here, right now, where we are. And so right now I'm going to review the morning, the afternoon, and the evening routine that we've set up so far so that you can start putting these things into practice. So the morning routine is to get up and make your bed. Get dressed to lace up shoes and fix your hair and your face. Swish and swipe your bathroom. Recognize negative voices and change them. Reboot your laundry. What's for dinner? Think about that and know that before it's the afternoon time. Put out your hot spots for 2 minutes. So that's clearing any fat surfaces that accumulate clutter and getting that cleared for 2 minutes. And set your timer. Do a 5-minute room rescue. Set your timer again, and we're going to pick up one room in our house. Just spend 5 minutes. It could be where the kids are playing and have their toys. It could be where you had breakfast and cleaning up the kitchen. Any room. We're going to do that room rescue. We're going to spend 15 minutes decluttering each day. And FlyLady has an area in her site once we're flying where she talks about the zones and where we're going to be decluttering each day. But for now, I would really just focus on the room that you think and the space that you think needs the most decluttering and focus there. We're going to look at our control journal and our post-its every morning, and we're going to read the FlyLady's emails and delete them. So now for the afternoon routine, we're going to eat lunch and drink your water. And so I love that she has that reminder that we can write down in our control journal to make sure that we're taking care of ourselves and not just everyone around us. And we're also going to get started on dinner in our afternoon routine. And remember, the afternoon routine is what you need to do in the afternoon, what you need to do as soon as you get home from work, what you need to do as soon as the kids get home from school. So put that in your control journal as well. And then our before bed routine, which remember we said is not necessarily before bed, but can be right after dinner. We're going to keep your sink shining. So that's keeping your sink clean and shining by the end of the night. We're going to lay out our clothes for tomorrow, which is one I personally am really having a hard time with. I'm just going to keep it real. We're going to put in a load of laundry. If that's when you want to do your laundry at night, if you want to start your load then, that's up to you. We're going to put out another hot spot or that same hot spot that just accumulates and accumulates things throughout the day. We're going to get that cleared for 2 minutes. We're going to look at your control journal checklist and make sure you've got everything done for the day. And then it's going to be time for bed. You set yourself a time for bed, or you will need to do that. So once you set that time, go ahead and try to get in bed at that time of day. And that's it. So that's it with the habits that we've been establishing so far. So you are not behind, just jump in where you are. FlyLady also has a habit of the month, and this is a great way for us to continue to implement the habit. So you don't have to have it right now. You don't have to have it perfectly. You don't have to have it down pat. We're going to have plenty of time to keep focusing on these habits and get better and better and better at implementing them in our life so that they do eventually become habits and things we don't even have to think about. Thanks so much for watching this video. There's a link below with a calendar that is totally free with all the 31 days of baby steps included. Subscribe to this channel if you want to follow along to the 31 days of baby steps. Follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.